Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be reciting the poem Harry Pushed Her of Class 6 ICSE board. I will also be telling the word meanings, so stay tuned until the end of the video. Also, if you are not following my Facebook page, then do follow my Facebook page because this video onwards I will be uploading all the essays and the poems PDF on my Facebook page, so do follow it also. Now first let's start with the introduction. Every child wants to live a normal life like other children, running, playing with a ball, swimming, flying a kite, etc. It is hard to imagine that a child would willingly renounce this normal life to bring cheer into the life of someone else. Normal life means very old. Bring cheer means whenever he wanted to. Harry pushed her. He pushed her around. He pushed his sister. Before school, after school, on weekends. Pushed means moved something or somebody forward from behind. He pushed his sister. He had no friends. He pushed her. School holidays and Christmas time. The children always sang their made-up rhyme. Rhyme means a song. Harry, push her now. Harry pushed the crazy cow. Harry pushed her without strain. Through snow, sunshine, wind and rain. She smiled strangely and never said a word. Crazy cow means the helpless girl, which is Harry's sister who is mentally challenged also. Strain means worry or anxiety. He pushed her for years. It was so absurd. Harry was 12. His sister was 23. Harry never had a childhood like me. Harry pushed her without a care. He pushed his sister in her wheelchair. Absurd means strange. Care means worry. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, then please like and share my video with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye and take care. And now I will meet you in my next video.